Hey guys, it's Tom here with Velocity Restorations in the showroom. Really excited to walk you around this absolutely fantastic War Bonnet. You heard that correctly, War Bonnet K5 Blazer. It's a gorgeous truck, signature series, built by us, ready to go home, in stock. Let me tell you all about it as if you were here with me. We'll start with the paint. That's what we always start on. Paint is called War Bonnet. War Bonnet. War as in war, bonnet as in bonnet, right? A bonnet actually is what I would call a hood, being English, but anyway, War Bonnet. It's a really nice metallic yellow. Just slightly off yellow. It's a kind of darker yellow. It's not like a super bright pastel yellow. But let me tell you about it because this paint color is super classic. It is a really original GM color that you would see on Chevrolets like this. So K5s, C10s, K10s. There are a lot of customers that have come in the showroom, seen this vehicle and gone, wow, I had a truck just like it. It's the same with the oranges that we do and the heritage blues. When you introduce a color with this white kind of trim, and this has got the lower trim on it, it's a really classic GM Chevrolet look. So that's what this color is. It's a yellow, but it's actually called War Bonnet. Really nice metallic too. It's not a flat paint. It's got a real depth to it. Let's look at the front of the truck. Now we've talked about the paint. This grille, really iconic front end for a K5. K5 hood, obviously. There are different types of hood on these K5s and on the other Chevrolets, but we keep it really classic with this K5 setup. Same with the grille, chrome grille all the way through. And of course, it wouldn't be a K5, wouldn't be a Chevy without the blue bow tie. So that's there. Underneath that, you've got a chrome bumper, you've got your reflector lights, and then actually for your headlights, you've got JW speaker LEDs. So these are brand new LED headlights like on all of our vehicles. Really nice looking front end. The vehicle is large. It's larger than the Broncos. Its stance is very similar to that of our F-250s, our big trucks. It is tall. It's a big vehicle, but that's good for a lot of people. Why? Because it's got much more load area space, which we'll come on to in a minute, and it's got a real different presence about it on the vehicle. There's also some benefits to the extended wheelbase too, which we'll touch on from the driveline, but really, really nice looking front end. Come around the side of the truck and you'll notice that that kind of two-tone continues all the way down. So it's an ice white underneath that War Bonnet Yellow, ice white for the secondary color underneath the trim. And that trim is over the wheel arch, what we call lower trim. So it goes all the way from the front, round, up over the wheel arches, across, not in the middle, but kind of 2/3 down the truck. Then you've got the white detailing below it. And that that middle trim is in chrome. So really, really nice. As is your side mirrors, OEM style side mirror, OEM style door handles. For wheels on this truck, it is a signature series K5, so it's going to have those chrome bullet hole wheels. Really nice original look, goes really well with the rest of the chrome elements along the truck. It's a K5, so we're going to talk about roll cage next. It's got the full 6-point cage. This is the only cage option that we have on these K5s. It comes all the way back. It's made in-house. It is fully structural. It's a fully operational roll cage, finished in a black powder coat. It looks really clean, looks really nice. Then you can add a hard top to these trucks. That's a really common question. Tom, I see the vehicles on the website, but can I add a hard top to this one? And yes, of course you can. So these K5s can be modified to put the full hard top on. On this one, I think it would look great both ways. I think it would look great with a yellow top to match the War Bonnet, and I also think it would look good with a white top. If it was me, if it was my truck, I probably would do a white top to match that white lower piece. But let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you would do on this truck. Really, really nice. But 6-point cage with that full safari top. We've done it in black to match the interior. It gives the front people, the front driver, passenger, and the rear passengers lots of shade, lots of protection from the rain if there is a quick shower too. Coming around the back of the truck then, there's not too much going on at the back of the truck. The tailgate is really classic looking. There isn't too much chrome back here other than that large chrome bumper, but no extra trim around here. We kept it super neat, super tidy. You do have the Velocity build badge. You've got LED lights. Dropping the tailgate down and you're gonna see just how much more space there is back here. Backside of the tailgate's been Raptor coated, so really easy to get things in and out of. You don't have to worry about scratching anything. Super usable, these trucks, so you can load everything back into your tailgate, into your load area. And this load area is much larger than it would be on a Bronco. I know it's deceptive because obviously the seat's there, but you've got a lot more space at the back of these K5s, and it's the same with the foot space that you're going to have, the leg area that you're going to have as a rear passenger too, which we'll come on to. We've got a carpet and a carpet on top, so double carpet. You've got a carpet mat and then underneath that carpet again. Really, really nice, very, very premium. It's one of the things that you're paying for when you take a step up into these K5s, this vehicle being no exception. Really, really nice. Let's talk about the interior now, and I will open the truck up so you can take a good look. We've done something really simple on this one, really original, just really classic. It's a black leather to go with a black top and to go with that War Bonnet Yellow. Really, really nice. Take a look at this door card. All of this is custom, made here in-house. Behind the door card, there's a lot of engineering going on. We 3D print things, we route things, we machine things behind these door cards to make them look like this, but more importantly, to make them stand the test of time. Door cards are always going to be something that rattles typically on these vehicles. These vehicles do not feature rattly door cards. Really, really nice door card. You've got billet pieces for your door release, and of course, this looks like a standard regulator, but it is actually electric, because with all Velocity vehicles, you do get electric windows. Another really nice convenience feature that you get on Velocity vehicles is going to be that powered step. And given the K5 sits taller than anything else we do, really, it is a nice addition, makes getting in the truck super easy. Straight away, these low back seats are incredibly comfortable. This leather is really, really nice. It feels great, and the seating position is really, really nice too. In front of me, I've got a wooden rim steering wheel, really standard steering wheel that we do on all of our vehicles like this. Same with the Broncos. Really, really nice. Feels great. It's got notches behind, so really nice to drive. And it's full adjustable too. So full tilt steering adjustable column. Whether you're somebody taller, you've got that adjustment there, which makes it really nice. Behind that is a full Dakota digital dash. So it looks original, but it is going to be digital. This vehicle actually has two screens. So the K5s have two screens, one in your speedo, one in your revs, and that's just going to give you even more information. So oil pressure, how much fuel you've got remaining, all that good stuff can be displayed in those screens too. There's even a little Velocity Flying V right in the middle that's really special. I love that stuff. Talking of special, look at the paint that's been brought into the cabin. So it's on the back side of the door, even in all the door jambs, other side there too, and then all across the dash has also been war bonneted. Does that even make sense? I don't know. But anyway, it's been war bonneted. It's had the war bonnet treatment. It's yellow and it looks awesome. There's chrome details going on. There's little black bits of trim going on. It's really nice. Take a better look at this interior then while I'm not sitting in it. It's really classic. It's got our classic stitch. What do we mean by that? It doesn't have any diamond stitching or pleating. It's just vertical and horizontal lines, but it's really nice, really classic to go with the rest of the aesthetic of this vehicle. You've got a full center cubby box here, lots of space in here to store things, put things in. You've got two drinks holders. You've also got USB 3.0 and C charging inside the cubby box. You've got high and low range four-wheel drive, so these vehicles do stay four-wheel drive, and we're going to get onto the chassis and the driveline and everything else here in a second, but four-wheel drive for your levers, and then above that you've got all your infotainment and AC. All of that's controlled in this middle panel here. We'll start with the infotainment. It's a doubled-in Alpine system, touchscreen, Apple CarPlay. You can get your navigation on there, you get your music on there, so that's really nice. And actually, speaking of music, you've got a really powerful sound system in all of our trucks. This K5 is no exception. Full Focal sound system in this vehicle. Focal are a really premium audio brand. This sound system sounds amazing wherever you are. If you go into the beach, if you go in tailgating, whatever you're going to do with the truck, you're always going to have the music to back it up. Above that, we've got the Vintage Air AC system, so full AC like all of our vehicles have, fully operational, strong, cold AC. We're in Florida, we need it, so we design it to be able to keep up with the heat. We design the vehicles to make sure that they keep you cool. Even in an open top vehicle like this, the AC makes a huge difference. Having that cold AC on you, just keeping you cold on a warm day is really, really nice. So Vintage Air AC system. Then you'll notice we've also got this kind of black padding here, both in the cubby, in the glove compartment and then in the dash too. That's just another little detail that we've brought inside the cabin to wrap everything together. Same with the black dash pad here, really nice with the black stitching. Everything comes together really, really well. I think I've covered just about everything. One other thing I wanted to point out actually is the carpet. So these vehicles do get fully carpeted all the way through, all the way, and then they've got carpet mats like in the tailgate area. So a mat on top of the normal carpet, so you can remove the mat, you can vacuum it, you can clean it if you need to. It's a really, really nice feature. It's a very plush, thick carpet too. And if you just want to take a look back here, I keep talking about the extra space. For anybody that's ever sat in a Bronco before, you'll know that, you know, there is space, but it's not like this. K5 has much more space, much more legroom for the rear occupants. So if you do have kids, there's going to be people regularly in the back of the truck. This might be something to consider. This vehicle features the two-seater configuration, so the bench has got two firm seats, two seat belts, but we can actually do a 3-seat configuration too, where the bench goes flat and you have 3 seat belts back there. These are full 3-point harnesses because of that 6-point cage. Almost feels like being in a boat back there. It's just so nice. You can see everything going by. Really cool place to be. All right, take a look at this engine bay. And as you're looking at this, let me talk you around the underside of the vehicle. So this vehicle, being a K5, it has a full Roadster Shop four-link coilover chassis underneath it. What does that mean? Well, it means it drives a little bit differently to the other vehicles that we do. Four-link gives you way more cushioning. It is a really nice drive. These K5s have been designed by us basically to be daily driving vehicles. So full Roadster Shop chassis underneath the truck, four-link coilovers, really nice with the extra wheelbase length, just very, very comfortable to drive. For drivetrain, we've got LT1. So it is a Chevy, got a GM Chevy engine, LT1. It's a V8, it produces about 460 horsepower, lots of torque at the bottom end. Again, this is a larger vehicle, it's heavier than the Bronco, so we want extra torque at that bottom end. And then behind that is the 10L80, so the 10-speed automatic from Chevrolet. Really nice gearbox to drive, very quick shifting, really, really good setup. You've got a lot of custom features and fittings in here just to make this engine bay look really OEM, and it's really, really well done by the guys. There's actually a lot of space. Compared to the Broncos and the Mustangs that we do, those engine bays can feel quite tight. Given that it's a big truck, given that it's the K5, you do actually have quite a lot more space in the engine bay, which is really, really nice. Another thing that I want to point out is the disc brakes. So you've got full Willwood hydro boosted disc brakes in this vehicle all the way around. This K5 is no exception, so lots of stopping power to go with all of your engine power for when you're going fast. Final thing I want to touch on is these billet hood hinges. They're really, really nice. We love them. They are great. They look fantastic. Really nice addition. Just wraps up the engine bay. Underside of the hood's been painted too. Firewall's got paint on it. Everywhere that you see that can be painted is painted, and then anywhere where there's not paint is going to be this material here called Raptor. So truck bed lining, super durable, super hard wearing. The whole underside of the vehicle's also been done in Raptor, so nothing is left unturned. It's really, really nice. Thank you so much for walking around this K5 with me. It's gorgeous. War Bonnet, I keep saying it is more of a yellow. Really classic GM color, really gorgeous, especially with the white lower paint that we've done on this one with that lower trim too. Chrome elements all around, LT1, 10L80, full Roadster Shop frame, lovely, lovely setup. Disc brakes, of course, too. Just a gorgeous truck. That's it. Honestly, really, really nice truck. For somebody that loves classic GM products, classic Chevrolet products, this K5 is absolutely perfect. It's available to go home immediately. It is in the showroom. It's brand new delivery mileage. Comes with a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, of course, as well. All the good stuff from Velocity. So thank you so much for walking around with this truck with me. If you've got any questions, email us, send us a text, give us a call, put a form through on the website, an inquiry form, all that good stuff. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.